The following message is transmitted at the request of Emergency Management of Southern California. This is a reminder to all residents that the Earth will be passing through the tail of a comet tonight. The effects that this will have are unknown and are very unpredictable. Emergency Management is requesting for all residents to stay at home and shelter in place throughout the entire night tonight. To shelter in place, take the following actions. Go inside. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close fireplace dampers and vents. Seal cracks with wet towels to tape. Continue to monitor media outlets for updated emergency information. Stay off of the telephone unless you have a life-threatening emergency.